In this video, we'll walk you through how to revert to a previous version of your NVIDIA graphics drivers on Windows 10 or 11. If you find this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. If you've recently updated your drivers and are experiencing issues, rolling back to a previous version can often resolve the problem. Let's get started. First, click on the search bar at the bottom of your screen and type in Device Manager. Open it up when it appears. In Device Manager, locate the Display Adapters section. Click the arrow next to it to expand the list, and you should see your NVIDIA graphics card listed there. Right-click on it and select Properties. Next, navigate to the Driver tab at the top. Here, you'll find the option to roll back driver. This is useful if your device is not working properly after a recent driver update, and you want to revert to the previous version. Click Rollback Driver, then select the reason for the rollback, and confirm by pressing Yes. The process will begin, and your screen may go black for a few seconds. After that, everything should return to normal, and your drivers will be reverted.